What's up guys and welcome to the future. Vivo has officially unveiled its Apex 2020 concept smartphone and it is mind-blowing. Not only the official trailer is out, but we also have some of the hands-on images showing off the device in real life in its full glory. Vivo first showed off this concept project back in 2018 and now it looks more ready than ever. It could be the first smartphone on the market officially with an under-display camera system. That's not even the most craziest part of the phone. It's rocking some of the most next level technology that we have ever witnessed on a smartphone. It's rocking a 120-degree edgeless OLED display which looks absolutely stunning. Because it's the under display camera, it's completely bezel-less from the front. We have a brand new 48 megapixel gimbal camera stabilization. This will help bring high quality stabilized video out of this phone. It's also the first smartphone to rock true 5 to 7x optical zoom. Yes, proper optical zoom beyond 5x limit. And something that is completely insane, something that I did not expect to happen, that is 60 watts of wireless charging. That is faster than most companies' cable charging. I think this is absolutely nuts. Vivo is calling this tech as Super Flash Charge. It's even packing something called voice tracking autofocus, which means the camera will focus based on voice. I think that's what the explanation is. Now, as far as the real life look of the phone, it is equally impressive. It's a really tall, edgeless smartphone with no bezel at all. I mean, there's still a little bit of chin if you look closely, but it's probably close to 98-99% of screen to body ratio. Because of the insane curve, we actually don't have any power keys, no physical keys on this phone, and a very impressive back look as well. This is indeed the future, guys. We're gonna have the full bezel-less smartphones. Extremely fast wireless charging will one day completely replace the cable charging system that we use. I mean, this really is the most futuristic device we have right now, way ahead of time, and yes, it is still labeled as a concept phone, but the way it looks, it's only a matter of time before something like this will be on the market for sale. It's packing 5G along with Snapdragon 865, all the goodness, and again, a concept phone. We're not sure if something like this will come out anytime soon or how much it's gonna cost compared to a traditional flagship smartphone, but all I can say, the future has arrived. It's looking absolutely incredible. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below on the Vivo Apex 2020 smartphone, and what do you think Samsung should do at this point, because they are working on their under display camera smartphone as well. Should they bring it this year? Let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.